Well, I'm back in the woods. This is a new tree. It fell down in a storm a while ago. Not a big tree, so I'm trying to get at least some wood. So it's not gonna be, it's just gonna probably be a few spoons, but let's try it. Since I'm here, I'm gonna try to extract something. So it is suspended like this, so I'm cutting here and here. And now I'm just going to put this wedge in, so it spreads the wood since it's suspended and all. So I have a lot of wasps, little forest wasps, flying around me here, so you can hear them maybe. So they have a nest somewhere here, so but I'm not going to bother them, so hopefully they don't bother me. Let's try to do this. Okay, now I'm going to undercut here. Woo! That did well. Oh my. Wood inside is good, so I'm cutting this piece which is suspended here, so it's easy to do. And I'm gonna extract one more from this piece, so there's gonna be spoons here. So So now, as the tree wants to do this and catch my saw, I'm just gonna put this in to stop that. this. Now it's easy again. Now you always pay attention to this last part, so everything is stable. This is good. This tree protects me so that this can't roll over me. So just need to watch for this little thing and this not to hit me, and that's it. Okay. Ooh. That's it. Ah. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, let's lower this. Yes. Okay. So that's good. And here we have a little bit of a problem inside, but this wood is good, so it'll probably be okay. So I'm gonna cut this piece also and then see what I can get from this and this. Some ants here, so probably okay. Yeah, a little bit of rot here, but not a problem. I'm cutting the second piece, so I'm going to use this and try to make as many spoons as possible today. So let's see. This is a better piece. Yeah, it's very nice. So this is going to be good. Great. Now we need to split this and see what's inside. Maybe we get something, maybe not. Yeah. Now that is perfect. Spoons coming. Yeah. I've packed everything up into billets of various sizes, packed it all up and carried it some 200 meters down the hill. Here I have a stump waiting for me from before. I'll use it to axe out the spoons. Whole afternoon of axing out various spoons. Here you can see me axe out a teaspoon.